In a small bakery at the edge of a cheerful little town, there lived a cake. Not just any cake. She was a soft, sweet sponge layered with vanilla cream, topped with strawberries, and finished with the perfect swirl of icing. Her name was Clementine. Clementine sat proudly in the display window, watching people pass by all day. Some hurried to work, some strolled slowly, and some stopped just to smile at her. She loved those smiles. She dreamed of the day she'd be chosen, brought to a party or celebration, maybe even a birthday. She imagined laughter, music, and candles. She didn't care who picked her. She just wanted to make someone happy. But days passed, then weeks. Newer cakes came and went, taller, fancier, flashier. Some had chocolate fountains. Some were shaped like animals or castles. Clementine stayed in the corner of the glass, slowly growing older, her strawberries a little less bright, her icing a little less shiny. Then, one cloudy afternoon, a girl walked into the bakery. Her name was Lena. She had holes in her shoes and a coin purse so small it barely made a sound when she shook it. She looked around at the cakes, eyes wide with wonder. But when she saw Clementine, she stopped. She didn't see the faded frosting or the wilted berries. She saw a cake sitting alone, quietly waiting. Lena asked the baker, "How much for that one?" The baker looked at Clementine and said gently, "That cake's been here a while. If you promise to take care of her, she's yours." Lena beamed. She carried Clementine home like a treasure. And though she had little, she didn't keep the cake to herself. She knocked on her neighbor's door, a lonely old man, and gave him a slice. She brought another piece to her little brother, who hadn't smiled all day. She shared with her mother, who was tired from working 2 jobs. She even offered some to a stray dog, who licked the plate clean with a happy tail wag. Piece by piece, Clementine disappeared. And yet, she had never felt more whole. In that small, worn-down home, she had brought something no icing or fancy decorations ever could: kindness. She had reminded people of something simple but powerful. That joy grows bigger when it's shared. By the time Clementine was gone, laughter filled the house. The neighbors smiled more. The old man started baking cookies to give back. Even the dogs stayed nearby, hopeful for another crumb of kindness. Clementine never made it to a big party or a grand celebration, but she became part of something far more special. She became a moment of light in a quiet home, a spark of generosity, a reminder that sometimes the sweetest things in life are the ones we give away.